giving you a very regular outfit of the day, because the reality is most of us are not dressed down throughout the week. So why not? Let me tell you what I got on. I have on my pretty little thing, pull over hoodie. I have on my misguided leggings with a matching bra, belly in view, and then my favorite platform flip-flops. It's laundry day, sort of, kind of. I decided I'm gonna start going to the laundromat so that I can wash our bedding, because it can be a bit of a headache when I try to wash them here at the house. So let's go.